A big part of our conversation lately has been unemployment and how that is affected by the pandemic. There are certain benefits available related to the pandemic for workers who may be less traditional, gig workers and such. Talking about this is Pellegrini, Seeley, Ryan, and Blakesley attorney Earl Seeley. Hi, Earl.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
Good. I know that a lot of folks who are gig workers or who were self-employed have concerns about how they too can receive unemployment benefits. Can you discuss
Sure.
some of the programs that are available for them?
Well, the unemployment program that traditionally provides workers who have been displaced or laid off with benefits is only available for a person who has earned more than $5,100 in the last 12 calendar months in what we consider to be covered employment. So, employment where the potential of unemployment benefits later on is considered all the way through. For people who work for Uber or DoorDash or any number of people who work in the gig economy, that's not the case. Um, Also, if you think about people who are working from home, 1099 contract workers, even some truck drivers and people who make deliveries for Costco and Home Depot, if they find themselves out of work, and obviously some of those people would not find themselves out of work at this time. In fact, we're relying on them more than ever. But for a non-traditional worker who is displaced as the result of COVID-19, the federal government created a program called the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program. It's part of the CARES Act that was passed about a month ago, and it provides unemployment benefits to people who would not otherwise be available, not otherwise be eligible for them.
Are those
Um,
benefits different than traditional unemployment benefits, or is it the same that somebody who
well,
works?
they're calculated similarly, but they are different. If you're eligible for regular unemployment, you're required to file for regular unemployment benefits, even if you're out of work as a result of the COVID-19 epidemic. Um, there is a benefit, a federal benefit of approximately $600 that is being added to ordinary unemployment benefits, but it's also available to people who are applying for this pandemic unemployment benefit. And
And
so
how,
that benefit,
I'm sorry, how
I'm
long does
sorry,
that go for? Is there an expiration to that $600?
the $600 benefit is available right now through the end of July. It's
Wow.
a 13-week benefit. And as I say, it would be added either to ordinary unemployment benefits or to this pandemic unemployment assistance. And, as I say, if you're eligible for regular unemployment, you've got to apply over there. But if you've exhausted your regular unemployment eligibility, if you have already received 26 weeks of unemployment, you're not eligible for any sort of extension, you may apply for this program, the pandemic unemployment assistance. And as I say, it's also available to people who are home taking care of a loved one who has the coronavirus. It's available to people um, who are unable to go to their own jobs because someone in their household has been diagnosed with COVID-19. If they have to provide care for a dependent who is either ill or has been placed out of school because of the epidemic, they can apply for pandemic unemployment assistance.
And in applying, is it done the same way as someone would apply for regular unemployment insurance online?
Yes, it's also done through the Department of Unemployment Assistance. Our Mass Department of Unemployment Assistance has a wonderful website. It's at mass.gov. I found it this morning by going onto Google and searching for pandemic unemployment assistance, and it brought me directly to a page that is being updated daily by Department of Unemployment Assistance. And they have a portal, right on that web page that allows you to sign in, create an account, and apply for this benefit.
Terrific. Very good information. Earl Seeley from PSRB, thank you so much.
Thank you, Adam.